In this video, you'll learn how to create a Duolingo account so you can start learning a new language. The process is quick and easy, and in no time you'll be on your way to becoming bilingual. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. To get started, first open up your Google Play Store and then tap on the search bar up top and search for Duolingo. And then tap on Install to download and install the Duolingo app onto your phone. Once you have installed the Duolingo app on your device, tap on Open. And then tap on Get Started. And then choose the language that you want to learn. So for the purpose of this video, I'm simply going to select German. And then you have to select how you heard about Duolingo, so go ahead and select anything that you like. And then select the reason why you are learning this language. And then pick your goal and tap Continue. So, depending on your knowledge of the language, you can select from learning for the first time or already have some knowledge of the language. And then you have to complete this little test over here. It took me about 3 minutes to complete this. So I'll speed this up for you. After you finish that, tap on Continue. And now you can create your account. So go ahead and enter your age, and then your name, and your email address. Then enter a strong password that you will remember. Once you've done all of that, simply tap on Create Profile. And boom, that's how you set up a Duolingo account. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.